Greenhouse, a specially designed structure covered with transparent material, usually polythene or glass, that allows sunlight in while protecting crops from harsh weather, pests, and diseases. Inside, the environment can be controlled, the temperature, humidity, and irrigation. These ensure plants grow faster and yield more all year round. Whether you are growing tomatoes, cucumbers, capsicum, or lettuce, success begins with proper setup. Choose a good location with good sunlight exposure, ideally facing east to west to maximize daylight hours. A site should have a flat or gently sloping terrain, well-drained soil, and easy access to water and roads. Avoid areas prone to flooding or strong winds. For large farms, you have to check for the proximity to power supply or the solar energy, as this will be useful for irrigation and the sensors. Before construction, take a soil test to determine fertility, pH, and salinity levels. Most greenhouse crops thrive in loamy soil with a pH of 6 to 6.8. Now it is time to prepare the planting beds. Raised beds should be about 1 to 1.2 meters wide, depending on the irrigation system to be used, and about 20 to 30 centimeters high. Leave about 30 to 50 centimeters of space between beds for walking and management. Forming raised beds improves soil drainage. It also enhances root development and prevents diseases associated with excess moisture. Use hoe or ridger to set the beds neatly along the contour, especially on sloping land. These will help prevent erosion. Once the beds are ready, the next step is hole marking. Proper spacing ensures each cucumber plant has enough room for growth, light, and even the airflow. Typical spacing for cucumbers is 60 centimeters between plants and 90 centimeters between rows, although this can vary slightly with the variety and whether you are using a trellis system or letting the vine spread on the ground. Use a small peg or stick to mark the positions. This makes transplanting uniform and neat. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. Before transplanting, enrich the soil with organic matter and the right nutrients. Start with a well-decomposed farmyard manure or the compost. Use about 8 to 10 tons in an acre. In addition to manure, apply basal fertilizers before transplanting. When making holes for transplanting, add a handful of compost or topsoil fertilizer mix to each hole, then cover lightly to avoid direct contact with the fertilizer, which can burn the roots. Once the manure and fertilizer are incorporated, it is time for irrigation. Before transplanting, ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. A gentle pre-irrigation helps settle soil particles and creates a favorable environment for the young cucumber seedlings. The irrigation method depends on your system. Drip irrigation is highly recommended for cucumbers because it conserves water and delivers moisture directly to the root zone. Avoid transplanting on dry soils or under harsh midday sun. The best time is early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler and seedlings.
We have practiced the initial stages of management of crop.
Yes.
By preparing the land, preparing all drainage system,
Yes.
and then planting.
Okay. Which crop have you planted? They are cucumbers.
Yeah, we are cucumbers.
Okay, that's good. How about your experience today, the first day?
Experience has been good.
Yes.
I've run out cucumber.
Yes.
Pipes.
Yes.
Pipes.
Okay, that's good. So the farm has drip lines. Land preparation may seem like a lot of work, but it is the secret behind every successful cucumber harvest. Healthy soil grows healthy crops, and healthy crops builds a productive and sustainable farm. Join us next time as we explore the transplanting and early crop management of cucumbers, from watering to staking and pest control.